Happy Memorial Day. Listen, y'all, I don't feel good this morning. I woke up like this. However, there is a message. One of my old mentors made a video recently. He said, God will give you a vision and then your life will look completely opposite of the vision. And so when he was talking about, he gave Joseph a vision, right, of what his life was going to be. But Joseph's life was completely different, child. He was thrown in the pit and he was built in a prison. And so what that says is that you cannot quit on your dream just because reality may not look like what the vision God gave you. You have to have faith, trust, and believe to know that it is going to come to pass. Just because it doesn't look like it right now and it doesn't look like anything is happening, you have to know that behind the scenes, it is all working out for your greater good. And then it led me to something else. This is for my content creators because last night I was on my Mary and Martha call. These are with my praying sisters. And we were, talking about a bunch of different things. And I made a remark and they were talking about Isaiah when God said, who will I send? And Isaiah said, I will go. But here's the thing. God told Isaiah that you will speak and the people will not learn. And so you have to think about that. So he may send you out to start speaking with the understanding that you may not go viral. It may not be super, super big on a super, super big platform. But why would he do that? Because he knew that some would listen. It may not be the masses. Right now, it may not be the masses. But the ones that he needs you to reach, you will reach them. The sheep shall know my voice. The ones that are called to you will hear you. And what you may be saying when you are out there speaking may be the absolute truth. It may be the very thing that's going to save people's lives and they will not listen. But that don't mean you stop speaking at all. It means you keep carrying forward with what God has for you. Because what happened is most people didn't believe the prophet Isaiah, but his prophecies came to pass. So they may not get it now. But it's still your job to plant the seed anyway. But all we were supposed to do is plant the seed. It's their job to water and it's God's job to change them. You understand what I'm saying? So don't you quit in the process. Keep going, knowing that what's for you is not going to pass you as long as you don't quit. I'm not telling you that it's always easy. Trust me. I told y'all how it goes around here. I be crying, kicking, screaming, hollering, resisting, and all the things. And because I don't quit though, fruit keeps coming. It's going to happen for you, but you can't quit in the process because of reality. Lastly, I'll say reality isn't real, but you may be thinking, well, how can I keep going? You got to surround yourself with big capacity people. You got to surround yourself with 50-gallon people who see bigger, think bigger, going after bigger. You got to surround yourself with those kind of people. And listen, you don't need to make those other people bad. They're just who they are. There's nothing wrong with them. And if you're going after something big, you got to surround yourself with big thinking, big moving type of people. That's number one. Number two, get yourself a therapist to help unpeel all those old layers of trauma that's in the way. Because it's not that you can't do it. It's just that there's some things, some old patterns, habits, belief that has to go. Next, start reading different books, getting yourself in different communities. Those are some of the things that you can do. You have to invest in yourself is the bottom line. Mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically, financially. Invest in yourself. It change your mind and you will change your money. Okay? All right.